You will be a lucky one if you're able to get even a single unit in this upcoming launch, but this time it's going to be a villa on the golf course. This community is by a government developer with the most flexible payment plan where you pay only 10% down and the next 10% is directly next year. The community is directly connected to a metro station, Etihad rail station in Dubai, and has school, malls, hospitals, everything inside. Bringing to you villas in an exclusive community with lots of green spaces, roof access, private swimming pool, indoor amenities, good floor to ceiling height, and overlooking the lake and the golf course. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert. And in this video, I have come up with a very exclusive community which is in the heart of Dubai and fits all of your requirements if you're looking for a villa in Dubai. There are a very limited units and all of the projects of this developer get sold out on the launch itself because of their high demand. So make sure you connect with me as early as possible. So I will now begin the video and make sure you stick till the end. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing. I will be covering the master plan of the community, what to expect in the near future, the government initiatives, connectivity, what is the project which is being launched right now, prices, floor plan, sizes, payment plan, handover date, all of the details that you need for this launch. This community is called Jumeirah Golf Estates, being developed by a government builder called Wasl Properties, and this is the phase 2 of the community. Phase 1 is already there and people are living in it. So first let me run you down through the entire master community and what we are going to see here. So this is the central park where you'll have the kids play area, fountain area, all the retail units, entertainment lounge, etc. And this is going to be the business district, so all the entertainment is going to be on this side. This right in the middle is the tennis stadium, which is going to host 5,000 plus people and host the cultural events. If you look at the government initiatives inside this community, right here is the Etihad rail, which is going to have the connectivity to all the Emirates, and in Dubai, here is where you'll have the station for it. Right there is your Jumeirah Golf Estate metro station, so you have both of these connectivities inside the master plan. Now if we look at the connectivity outside, this is being connected by E311, which is the major highway of Dubai called Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, and it's also connected through the Yalai Street. So for the entire road network, I'll explain you on the map. So if you look at what is already launched, so here are 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses, this and this, it's called the Pinewood Estates. On the corners, you have the 4 bedroom which come with a private pool and an elevator with a roof access, and the rest are going to be 3 bedrooms and a mix of 4 bedrooms as well in the middle. This is going to be the school which is right next to this estate. What they have launched just now is the Ashwood Estates. It's these villas which are on the periphery. The front line is directly on the golf course, which is going to be 5 and 6 bedroom villas with units of 4 bedrooms on this side. And on the outside periphery, you have most of the 4 bedroom units. What's the best thing about this launch, which is the Ashwood Estates, is that there are only 185 units in this launch, and it's the first one in this master plan where we'll have mansions also coming up, numerous other villas as well, which are going to be higher priced because this is the first launch which is at the opening price. So you'll have an advantage of making massive capital appreciation by the time the developer launches all of these villas. Another X factor about this community is that it blends 2 lifestyles. One is the equestrian and the second is the golf course. So you have an equestrian village on one side and you have the other villas which are surrounded by golf course. So you have 2 themes in one single community. So this is the model for a 6 bedroom unit. You have a big parking here, that's your entry. Foyer, you have double height ceiling. You have a running courtyard. Next to it is the amenities deck. Plus you have a private pool in your villa overlooking the golf course. Now let's have a look at the location and see the distance from the major hotspot of Dubai. So this is the entire map. This is the airport where you land right now, called the DXB airport. This is going to be the upcoming Al Maktoum airport. This is your Palm Jumeirah. Right here is going to be Palm Jabal Ali, and this is where we are, which is next to Burj Khalifa and the downtown of Dubai. If you see, this is going to be the location of the community, which is called Jumeirah Golf Estate. Here is where the phase 2 is coming, where we are discussing right now. It's just 20 minutes to the Expo City, 20 minutes to the upcoming Al Maktoum International Airport, roughly 20 minutes to Palm Jumeirah, 20 minutes to upcoming Palm Jabal Ali. Now if we see that Dubai is moving towards the south, it's roughly 20 minutes to anywhere in Dubai South. And if we compare the distance from here, it's almost 25 minutes to the downtown and 30 minutes to the existing Dubai International Airport. Let's look at the history of the developers. So they are the largest landlord in all of Dubai. They have 56,000 plus units delivered, 1,000 plus buildings, 8 golf courses, 35 hotel and apartments, 4 freehold master developments and 400 million square feet of land is what they have developed. So this is where they are present in Dubai map, and these are all the areas with the number of buildings that they have in each area. So let's have a look at the exteriors of all the villas. So this is a 4-bedroom. This is the kind of elevation that you get, and I have already shown in the model as well. This is your backside where you have the pool, garden, courtyard. Now looking at the floor plate, which is extremely important whenever you're looking for any villa investment. So this is going to be your entry where you have a double height entrance. You have the parking right outside. As soon as you enter, you have a multi-purpose room which you can convert to an office or a study space. Moving straight on the left, you have maid's room along with the maid's washroom. Now this is a very good layout because it maintains the privacy from rest of the house, as your maid's room is close to the entry and the exit of the house. Right next to that, you also have a storage room and a laundry room, and then you have a kitchen which is next to the powder room, which you can use for the guests. So this is going to be a dirty kitchen, and then you have a show kitchen as well, which is outside along with the family and dining area overlooking the big pool. If you look at the dimensions of the pool, it's 9 meters into 2.40 meters. So this is the size of the pool. Here you have the terrace and the garden area along with another family lounge. The best part about this house is this amenity, which is a water fountain and has a tree in the middle, which gives a very good effect, especially if you're looking from the first floor. And you also have your office, which you can also use as a gym along with the washroom. So this is the entire ground floor. Moving to the first floor, this is your staircase. As soon as you come up, you have 1 bedroom here. Next to that, you have washroom. This is another master bedroom, again with an ensuite washroom and a walk-in closet. In the middle, you have another family area. Next to that is your next bedroom with an ensuite washroom. And here you have the 4th bedroom with an ensuite washroom. Now if you look carefully, all the bedrooms are on the extreme corners and all are ensuite with an attached washroom and a dressing room. Next is you have a roof floor. Again, it is rare to get villas with roof access in Dubai. So this is one which comes with it. So this is the layout for the roof. You come from the stairs. You also have an option of the lift. Along with that, you have washroom, pantry, and this is a terrace, open terrace, which you can just use as a barbecue or as an outdoor sitting lounge. Now, if you look at the 5 bedrooms, it's pretty similar to the 4 bedrooms, but there's a very different factor here. One is you have an extra bedroom which is going to be on the ground floor, which is not there in the 4 bedrooms. In 4 bedrooms, all the rooms are on the first floor, and in the bottom you only have multi-purpose room and a maid's room. So here this is one advantage which you get, and rest of course is the mirror copy as it is. Now let's have a look at the 6-bedroom design. It is pretty classic. This comes with a double height ceiling, again with a huge door. Looking at the floor plan, again pretty similar to what we have seen in the 5-bedroom. You have a guest bedroom on the ground floor, and you will have an additional room here, which is your room number 1, your room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, and this is your room number 5. So you have 5 bedrooms on the first floor, and rest it's pretty much the same. So looking at the master plan, this is the entire Ashwood Estates. This is going to be your international school, which is very close. This is the entry of the villas, and you have your mosque right here. So let's have a look at the sizes of the villas, including the built up and the plot area. So we have 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom and 6-bedroom villas. For 4-bedroom, the plot area is 6,000 square feet and goes up to 8896. For 5 bedroom, it's between 9,000 to 12,270. For 6 bedroom, between 10,760 to 16,800. If you look, these sizes are extremely rare in Dubai. Hence, it makes a golden opportunity for you because there's a lot of demand for people looking for bigger plot sizes. If you see the built up areas as well, it's very good for 4 bedroom, roughly 6,000 square feet, 5 bedroom, 7,600, and for 6 bedroom, 9,000. So it's almost similar to the plot size in all of the configurations. So the starting prices of each of the configurations will be dependent upon the location in the master community, and second, the plot size. Because if you see, the plot sizes are very big in some cases, but the built up remains the same. So the bigger the plot, the higher the price. Looking at the numbers, there are only 108 units of 4 bedroom villa, 47 of 5 bedroom and 30 of 6 bedroom, which makes it extremely demandable, especially if you're looking at 5 and 6 bedroom configurations. So let's have a look at the prices. 4 bedroom starts from 11.8 million AD, 5 bedroom from 15.9 and 6 from 20.2 million. These are the starting prices. It depends on how early you register. Accordingly, you'll get the prices because cheaper units are the ones that go the fastest. Looking at the payment plan, you have a 10% down payment, which is the best payment plan right now in Dubai, because in all other cases, you end up paying 24% down. Installment second is going to be in the May 2026. After that, 10% in December 26. So you have 2 installments in 1 year, which is next year. After that, 10% in August 27, then April 28, and then December 28, which is the completion. So you're getting a handover in almost 3.5 years, and you pay 50% at the time of handover, which you can also mortgage from the bank. So this is the payment plan, which is of 50-50. 50 under construction, 50 on handover, and the initial 50 also you pay in 3.5 years almost. I hope I was able to give you all insights of the project. To book a unit, get in touch with me. My handles are given below. My WhatsApp, Instagram and LinkedIn link. Me or my team will connect with you. Make sure you're ready with a 250,000 dirhams check in the name of the developer, or you can also do a bank transfer. I'll help you with all of the details and the entire booking process. Even if you need any more details, again, get in touch with me on the same handles given below. We are accepting tokens for Ashwood and the Pinewood only till 7th of September 2025, which is just few days down the line. So contact me as soon as possible, so I will try my best to get you the best possible unit that you're looking for. So this is Chelsea Kukreja signing out from today's video. See you in the next video. I'll be coming up with a lot more details related to Dubai in general and Dubai real estate, and bringing you exclusive projects for investment and end use in Dubai. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing. See you in the next video.